It was a warm hero's welcome for the longest reigning International Boxing Federation 115-pound champion, Jerwin Ancajas. Today, he was awarded a plaque of recognition by the Philippine Navy following his 7th title defense of the Super Flyweight crown, which he first wrestled in 2016. Ancajas is also a reservist and Chief Petty Officer of the Philippine Navy, where he was awarded by Flag Officer in Command, Madam Robert M. Pedrad, AFP. Jerwin also looked back at his fierce 7th-round technical knockout of Ryuichi Funai in Stockton, California last May 5th to improve to 31 wins, 21 knockouts, 1 loss, and 2 draws.
Masasabi kong hindi madali din po yung laban kasi unang-una yung caliber ni Funai, siya yung number 1 sa ranking ko. Tapos yung paghahanda ng mga hapon, yung mga conditioning nila, napakaganda. Kaya kahit na matatamaan mo nga ng malalakas na suntok, kinakaya lang. Napakalaking tulong po talaga yung training namin dun sa Marines po. Kasi unang-una wala kaming labasan doon. Isang buwan kaming hindi lumabas sa Marine Base. Tapos yung suporta nga po ng Marines nandun. Tapos yung na-inspire po talaga ako sa mga nagtitraining doon. Kasi sobrang disiplinado nila. Parang naano ko na kailangan talaga ng isang asa ng boxer, disiplina talaga.
For his next fight, Jerwin reveals that Mexican fighter Juan Francisco Estrada has reached out for a unification title duel. Ancajas says he is determined to fight Estrada, and international boxing matchmaker Sean Gibbons says this bout may just take place at the end of the year if both camps come to an agreement. Pauline Verzosa, CNN Philippines.